Accounting equation is basis of accounting. Ac- In this video, we understand how accounting equation works. It is very easy. Let's learn it with example. This is accounting equation. Assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. We all know about the assets. Assets has two types, current assets and non-current assets. Cash, bank balance, inventory, receivables, advance received, advance paid, etc. are current assets. Other side, non-current assets are held in business for long run. Take examples like building, furniture, machinery, plant, patents, goodwills, etc. Similarly, there are two types of liabilities, current liabilities and non-current liabilities. I hope you know about the both. Let's move to the owner's equity. For corporate, share capital is owner's equity. We add security premium, accumulated earning, capital reserve, etc. in owner's equity. To calculate owner's equity for non-corporate, we first take capital at the beginning of the year, reduced by drawing, reduced by loss during the year, and added by profit earned during the year. Let's understand accounting equation through example. Mr. Joe starts business by investing $1 lakh. In this transaction, first we understand, first we recognize accounts involved. Two accounts are involved, bank account and capital account. Now understand what is increasing and what is decreasing. In this case, both bank account and capital account are increasing. So, when asset increases, plus 1000 at asset side and plus 1, so there is plus 1 lakh at asset side and plus 1 lakh at capital side. So, accounting equation equates 1 lakh plus 1 lakh is equal to 0 plus 1 lakh. Second transaction. Mr. Cho purchases computer worth 500. In this case, there are only assets are affected by this transaction, computer and bank. Now, bank is reduced by 500 and computer is increased by 500. So, net effect is plus 500 minus 500 is equal to 0. So, accounting equation is 0 is equal to 0 plus 0. Third transaction is Mr. Joe provides online service worth $2,000. In this case, Mr. Joe receives bank balance. So, we added here 2000 plus, and this is profit, so capital will also increase. So, we have written 2000 here. So, accounting equation is 2000 is equal to 0 plus 2000. It equates. I hope now you are understanding. Please take note and pen and write this transaction and try to solve yourself. Mr. Joe withdraw $2,000 for personal use. Now this is drawing, and drawing is related to capital account. Capital account will be reduced by 200. So we will write minus 200 at capital side. Assets will also decrease. So we will write 2000 in minus at asset side. Accounting equation is 2000. Accounting equation is minus 2000 is equal to minus 2000. Mr. Joe purchases furniture worth $300. In this case, only asset side are affected. Furniture balance increased by 300, so I have written plus 300 here, and bank balance is reduced by 300, so I have written minus 300 here. Net effect is 0. Mr. Cho receives order of software development for $10,000. So, what will we do in this transaction? No, we will not record anything for this transaction because we only receive order, not any transaction which we can record in money is occurred. So we ignore it. Mr. Cho develops the software and received $10,000. In this case, asset side and capital side both are affected. We receive $10,000, so I have written plus 10,000 here. Liability is 0 and profit increase, so plus 10,000 will be written here. In this way, accounting equation equals Mr. Cho pays $5,000 for advertisement. Now, bank balance will reduce, so I have written minus 500, and advertisement is expense which affect capital and profit. So profit will be reduced, so I have written minus 500 here. So minus 500 plus, so minus 500 is equal to 0 plus minus 500. So it equals. Joe provides service to Mr. Lucky $500. Amount is due in 30 days. In this case, Mr. Joe has not received any money for the service. So Mr. Lucky is receivable for Mr. Joe. We write receivable on asset side. I have written 500 plus here. Profit will be increased, so we write 500 on capital side. So 500 is equal to 0 plus 500. Mr. Joe hires freelancer who has charged 100 for the service which is not paid yet and due in 30 days. So freelancer is our creditor and we have written 100 here, and 100 is expense, so minus 100 will be written here. So net effect is 0 is equal to 100 minus 100 is equal to 0. So it is very easy, and once we understand accounting equation, it is really easy to form the journal entry. We learn it in next YouTube video. Mr. Cho receives amount due from Mr. Lucky. So Mr. Lucky has owed 500 to Mr. Cho which he has received. So we will write, so we increase bank balance for 500 and reduce receivable by 500. Net effect is 0. Mr. Cho receives advance from customer 800. In this case, bank balance is increased and we received advance, so it is our liability, so I have recorded it on liability side. Equation is 800 is equal to 800 plus 0. This is summary of all the transaction related to business, and we can see that it equates here 1,12,600 is equal to 900 plus 1,11,700. So take more example and do the exercise for accounting equation. In this way you can learn easily. You can also join my course on Udemy. 1300 students already registered for the course, and you can get 50% discount for the course, and the offer is for first 100 students. So click the link below and learn accounting easily. Thank you.